The term Gigafactory was coined to describe large-scale lithium-ion cell manufacturing facilities with a total annual production in the gigawatt-hour scale, and this is typically in the order of tens of gigawatt-hours. Demand for lithium-ion cells and gigafactories has largely been driven by rapid electrification of the automotive industry, with the forecasted global demand at 1.8 terawatt-hours by 2030. This vastly outweighs the estimated production capacity by the same time of 1.3 terawatt-hours. In the UK, it's a similar story, with the expected need to be around 140 gigawatt-hours by 2040. Our current capability is just under 3 gigawatt-hours. The long-term success of the automotive sector is intrinsically linked to lithium-ion cell production. As such, a robust supply chain for lithium-ion cells will be crucial in securing our local industry. Trends are already emerging that indicate automotive manufacturers will not hesitate to follow cell manufacturers and relocate closer to them if local supply chains do not meet their demands. As gigafactories typically take about 3 years to construct, and longer if you take into account funding and planning phases, and the cost of several billions of pounds, a clear UK strategy and commitment by both industry and government is vital to securing the facilities the industry will soon require. The Faraday Institution and the Advanced Propulsion Centre, as well as manufacturers such as Power and Britishvolt, are already taking the first steps towards this. A key consideration in establishing a gigafactory is the chemical and mechanical design of the produced cells, which can drastically affect the equipment used and the overall productivity of the facility. The UK has a wealth of knowledge on innovative cell technologies, however the development phase from lab to commercial product typically takes 10 years. To exploit this potential, early engagements with stakeholders, scale-up and industrial process specialists can help shorten the development period of new products and planning phases, accelerating timelines and providing competitive and next-generation products. To sum up, action needs to be taken now to prepare our automotive industry for the future. It's really not a question of whether the UK automotive industry will require a gigafactory, but when. And current indications show that the rapidly accelerating demand for electric vehicles will necessitate several gigafactories already by 2030. If you'd like to discuss more about gigafactories and how you can prepare your automotive manufacturing business for electrification, please get in touch by writing to the email address at the end of this video.